Hello, everyone. You're welcome back again here on the Betong Crypto. Today, I want us to look at top five altcoins that I'm buying, hold till the next bull market. I mean, the next Bitcoin halving. The next Bitcoin halving is going to be the next bull market after 4 years. That's in 2028. We have seen lots of people out there make huge gains trading altcoins, meme coins, and these guys actually bought these coins when it was early. And today I want to show you guys these altcoins that I personally am accumulating, and I'm gonna be, accumulating this coin, make profit from this coin until the next bull market, which is the next Bitcoin halving. Of course, guys, we are gonna have ups and downs in the next 4 years. Maybe we're gonna abandon some of this project, but as of now, this is what I'm looking at this point in time. If say you are new on my platform, you are watching the Betong Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there who is interested to make cap lajang in the crypto space to be successful. Of course, I'm no financial advisor, but I try to share what I do on a daily basis on my platform to help anyone out there who is struggling, to navigate this brutal crypto space. So today, as I mentioned, we're gonna go through some top altcoins that I myself personally am getting, and if say you wanna get it, feel free to get these altcoins, and don't forget to subscribe. Like this content and share with someone else out there. The first on my list today I got is VRA. I want us to look at VRA. This is Veracity. Veracity is an AI project, and looking at what Price did, you can see here, Price pumped to the upside, right? Let me see how many percent that Price pumped. Let me just do this quickly to see how many percentage that Price pumped from this dip. That was about 200%, and Price dropped back down 200%. So you can see that what actually goes on in the market is, in the crypto market is fascinating to see that a coin can pump about 20%, and in no time you see that same coin dump the same about 20%. You can see here the pump is around 14%. And if say I go back to check how many percentage this coin has dropped from that from the top, let me just balance this so I can get more view of the data. Okay, so if I have to pull this again from the top, to the bottom, we're gonna see how many percentage this coin has dropped recently or ever since that top. Now it is down 69%. So if say you made 100x and you didn't cash out that 100x, let me not say 100x, 20%, and you didn't cash out, then you are back to square one. But if say you cash out, at least let's say 1x, you would have been down 69%. The way the market moves is is kind of like not that clear. You can see that when the amount in which price fall is different from the amount that price rise. So if price rise about 20%, if it's falling, it might fall about 10. That same level might be around 69%. So the upward movement is different from the downward movement based on liquidity. So in this case, I would say that more liquidity is available with this project. Before then, there wasn't that much liquidity. That's why you see the upside was so great. So this is one of the coins that I'm getting, and you can see where it is right now. It's at a good zone, at a good buy area. Price has rejected this zone multiple times, which is good. And I think that okay, we have this I have structured my trading view to give me some ideas and some stuff. When I click on the candlestick, you can see VRA want to test parallel channel lower end. So it gives me some ideas what other crypto investors are doing and the analysis there, and so I can couple this or combine this with my own ideas. So it's really amazing to see like that they have made crypto easy or trading easy or investment easy by using most of these free tools out there. So VRO, the ticker is VRA, VRAUSDT, Veracity. That's the coin. So go and check it out. The next I have here is CRV, that's Curve Down. And Curve Down is similar with what I just showed you with with VRA, you can see price pumped to the upside, and price has dipped back to the downside, which has created an opportunity for us to get most of these coins or this one the particular coin at a discount rate. So if say you are looking to get something at a discount rate, then be rest assured that this coin is at a discount rate. Now, I don't just go and buy coin because I want to buy it or because they are down, tremendously. I look at the fundamentals of that project to see if, say, the coin is going to be lasting or the project is going to be lasting for a long time. And Curve DAO is a good project and they have a good community. It's a DAO, and I think that what they are building or what they have within the community is great, and we're gonna see this coin, move to the upside. We have seen many coins out there that are doing the same thing. I'm gonna show some of them to you right now. But looking at what Curve DAO has done in the past, if we go to the weekly time frame, you're gonna see what it has done in the past. The data, you can see what it has done, and you can now already understand what you might do or what it might do the next bull market or this current bull market. The lines you are seeing here on this chart are the session map, session divider. Let me see if I can bring in another. Let me bring in the hybrid system. I love the hybrid system a lot when I'm doing my analysis. It gives me so many areas to analyze my coins. So let's go back to CRV. CRV, yeah, so you can see if I pull this now, the same thing. If I bring in to the daily time frame, you're gonna see that price is playing the same game here. Price is back where price started, and the target for me, the first target where I'm gonna take out with my first profit is when price hits this moving average, the 800-day moving average. It's gonna be my first take profit zone. So I'm gonna wait for price. I've bought some already from this point, so I'm gonna wait for price to kiss this each time. Anytime price kiss this moving average, the 800 day moving average, and I'm gonna cash out some profit from Curve DAO. But if I look at the weekly time frame, you see the upside is really great. It's great. You see, look at. I mean, it's really great. So if say this coin has to go to just $3, it's a huge profit that we can make or you can make if say you are accumulating this coin. Let's say it gets to about 3% to $3. That's gonna be about, oh wow, 5x. Yeah. So if say we let's look at this on crypto bubbles, see ROV, Curve DAO. Let's see what this coin has done. Let's see ROV. Let's see ROV. Let's see quickly what this coin has done. So you can see this is Curve DAO for the year. It's down 50%. For the month is down 30%. For the week is up 1%. For the day is up 1.3%. For the hour is down 1.3%. So these are the kind of coins I want to get. That hasn't done anything yet at all. For the year is still down 50%, and if you compare this with other coins, they are up tremendously. So Curve DAO is one of those coins that I'm gonna be buying and holding like crazy. Now the next on my list is Ape Coin. I've been talking about ApeCoin like every now and then, and those of you who understand the way I go about my analysis, when I talk about something so much, it comes to pass. And ApeCoin is a really good project. And if you look at where price is right now, price has come back to where, like you see, if I zoom out a little bit, you can see this was the low before the bull market, the Bitcoin bull market or the crypto bull market, you can call it whatever you want to call it. But you can see price has come back to revisit this zone. Now, most of you are thinking that because price came here, it might be that this coin is not doing any well. You can see Bitcoin has outperformed almost every coin, like every coin out there, Bitcoin, and if you see that Bitcoin has outperformed every coin out there, you will understand that Bitcoin usually first pump and then all coins are going to pump later. And these all coins can come after Bitcoin has pumped, has done what Bitcoin always does, right? Then now these altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin, and this is going to be the alt season. And during the alt season, you want to be in altcoins that have huge upside, and you can see clearly this coin, in the past what it has done before, and now what it might do in the future. So, if say you allow this coin get just to $5, do you know how many percent that's going to be from where price is right now? That's going to be huge. At times I say to my viewers that it's not, you don't have to fight to catch the next big palm, the next big, let's say the next big Shiba. You can be in project like this and keep taking out the profit as price keep going up to the as price keep going to the upside. Then you can catch out the profit and get into more riskier project. In that sense, you are in a stable project, and you are waiting for opportunities to grab low cap project that, let's say, meme coins that you believe have huge potential, and you can make money from those meme coins and buy back these coins, buy it more, because you know that the future of these coins are bright and the community is great. So you're going to make more profit from them in a big way. Now the next I have on my list is Quants. QNT. QNT, has been one of my projects that I've been accumulating lately. And you can see this chart doesn't look that well, but let me just refresh this. You see the same idea. I have so much on my chart, but the same idea is where price is, or where price went to. I bought more QNT at $82, and I have been enjoying the profit back to this upside. And at the same time, I'm taking out profit and I'm trading this coin, because I understand how it moves. I understand because I have so many stuff here. You can see on my chart, I have many, many moving average. I have the 50-day moving average. I have the alpha trend. I have the trend low. I have the 200-day moving average. So much stuff that I'm looking at every given period in time. So when price gets there, I know we're gonna see some sort of reversal. So if I'm able to get at least point something percent, or let me say Satoshi of Quant, I'm gonna be happy in knowing that the future of this project is great. So Quant is one of those projects. And if say we want to look at the bigger picture for Quant, you're gonna see I already marked, I mentioned my analysis here, and Quant hasn't yet gotten to anywhere near our target. You can see price is still at this zone, at the, let me say, the bottom, right? So we should expect Quant to have its own bull market. I think then my target is around $300. So from where price is about 2x, so let's say from here we see Quant go right up to that area. It's gonna be about 2x, yeah, 2x or 1 point something x, and this can happen within a day, you know. And I think if say we pass this zone, this is gonna be my first profit zone. I'm gonna take out my profit and buy in some other altcoin that I think is gonna pump as well. So this is what I do usually. I don't have to because I do crypto full time. I look at what is going on and try to look at new opportunities. So it helps me to be able to like expose me to so many other projects that I might have free when I have free time. I might go and do research on, do analysis on. Then I might like put some little amount. Then if it pumps, I cash out the profit. So I keep recycling. If it means I buy a project for $10 and it makes me $10, it's good for me. Because I can keep doing that consistently, knowing that crypto is here to stay, right? So if you understand that crypto is here to stay, nothing is gonna, prohibit you or distract you from thinking that maybe this is the end of everything. So this is very important. If say you are investing in this industry, make sure you have a proper plan. When you cash out profit, you know what to do with it. You don't just go and buy because you want to buy. You buy with a plan and you execute the plan accordingly. Now, the next on my list that I got for you guys is a powerful project, but this time around, I think this project, I'm not gonna hold it forever. In terms of forever, I mean by I'm gonna be keeping an eye on this project. Why? Because where it is and the project, like, let me go to so I can, to coin market cap, so I can explain to you more better. You can learn more on what I'm trying to say here. PROV. This is PRO. This is Volcan Fork. PROY. So this is a project, and the reason why I'm gonna keep my eyes on this project is because of the circulating supply. You can see only about 56 is in circulation, meaning the rest is out there. and they can dump it in the market. So the fact that the coin is a good coin doesn't mean that I have to buy it all and hold it all the time. There are times that I sell it, and I when that got into a particular like critical zone, I sell because I know that these guys can dump it, in the market. Dump it in the market doesn't mean that the project is bad. They're just cashing out profit to do something else. So when you are investing in a particular project and you have so many of the coin, you have stored the coin and you want to do something, you want to sell it, right? And so that's what I mean by dumping it in the market. That's why Vulcan Fork PYRO. I'm not gonna be like, even though the upside is great, I'm not gonna focus solely waiting for price to get to my target zone. So I'm gonna be watching the price action every day or every week to see what price is doing. And if price gives me an opportunity, I'm gonna buy instantly. So that's one of the things I try to look at. When I trade, I don't just invest. I don't just be there because I think it's a good project. I want to be sure that I'm making money or they won't dump it on me. Then I'm gonna start building again from scratch. So I don't want to go through that process. So these are the five altcoins that I'm buying, I'm holding, and I'm gonna hold this coin until the next Bitcoin halving. And there are so many other coins out there that you can do the same analysis. You could just go and look at the community, look at the fundamentals, look at what the coin has done in the past, look at what the developers are doing. If see they are relevant and they have active investors, they have high volume trading volume, or you look at the on-chain activities. If it's good, then go for it. But don't just go for it because the button says go for it. Go for it because you are able to understand how this project works. And more to that, if say this project moves alongside with Bitcoin, all what I've said here is centered around Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the trigger, and at times I sell some of this project and wait for Bitcoin. Like for example, if I know that this coin has gone, like has pumped, that great, and Bitcoin is not doing well, I think Bitcoin might pump. If I think Bitcoin might dump about 5%, I know either of these coins can dump like 10% or 15%. So I'm gonna, you know, take out some profit or sell some of this coin and wait for Bitcoin to the Bitcoin dump to be over, and then I'll buy these coins back. In that case, I'm gonna be buying these coins at a cheaper rate, but I won't sell it and get out of the market. I'm gonna sell it and buy Bitcoin. So if say Bitcoin is gonna dip like 10%, I know that I'm gonna buy these altcoins afterwards and make me more upside in the future. So it's gonna be more Bitcoin. So these are all the things I'm looking at when I'm buying or investing in any coins out there. So don't just feel that only this coin you have to buy only what I just mentioned. Yeah, there are so many altcoins out there, and I'm gonna keep doing videos on different altcoins that you might be buying or you might be interested in. Of course, all I do here is just for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my word for it. I don't know anything. I'm just someone like you who is struggling to survive in this crypto space. So if this content was helpful to you and you want to keep creating more of such content, of course you know what to do. You have to subscribe right now. You like the content, then share it with someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff about me, my content, and you, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye bye. Ciao.